Today is Friday, June 21st, and this is your forecast for the central U.S. And we do have an area of high pressure across the southern states that's going to keep the weather rain-free, but it is going to be quite hot and also still humid with temperatures well into the 90s. Then we got a front that, at least for right now, is keeping portions of the Great Lakes cooler than normal. But that's going to change over the next couple of days. And that's where we kind of start our journey. It's this area of low pressure. We got an attached warm front, so that is lifting north. Yesterday, that was a cold front sort of pushing south. So we've gotten into some slightly cooler air through parts of the upper Midwest and the Great Lakes. And we have some heavy rain showers with this front for today. So that's not going to allow you to warm up. But once this lifts to the north and we get onto the other side of it, by tomorrow, we got that heat coming right back in throughout the Great Lakes. So it is going to get hot again over the next few days. 88 today in Detroit, 85 in Cleveland, 88 in Chicago. So basically right here along the southern border of Michigan where we had the front. So north of that, you got the chance for some showers and storms. Probably going to see a few of those in Grand Rapids, even though you don't see an icon there, and a few showers and storms out toward Minneapolis. South of that front, of course, that's where high pressure is. So it's still dry, or I should say rain-free, because the humidity is still there, and we're well into the 90s. It is just hot for Cincinnati, Louisville, Nashville, and Memphis. So Detroit, you're going to get hot again tomorrow. You'll still be very warm on Sunday, and probably still staying well above average through at least Tuesday. Then we're going to see a pretty significant cool down later next week. In Chicago, we're hot through at least Tuesday. Again, here comes that cool down, knocking those temperatures maybe as cool as the 70s by the middle of next week. That actually will feel quite nice after what we've had for several days in a row. Warming up now in the southeast. Mentioned that a few days ago, that you just wait till the weekend. We still have some extra clouds and showers and storms along the Gulf Coast. That's going to kind of be a thing, I think, for the next few days. The afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms coming in off the Atlantic. We got a wave of low pressure there, so that's going to keep things a little bit unsettled for Savannah, and then down heading toward the northern coast of Florida. We're going to see some showers and storms, and then I think even down towards South Florida, showers and storms popping up in the afternoon. It's dry though on the west coast of Florida, Tampa over to New Orleans, dry with highs in the 90s. Lots of 90s for you coming your way for Charlotte. It's going to be a hot stretch of weather that takes us through the middle of next week. In Fort Lauderdale, I mentioned much of South Florida has the risk for showers and storms in the afternoon. We got that again today. We'll see a few around this evening. And temperatures are going to generally peak in the mid and upper 80s over the next several days. All right, folks, that's your Friday morning weather update. I hope you have a great weekend. Remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.